All right. What's up, guys? Man, I forgot to put that on. All right, here we roll. What a pain in the neck. Always forgetting something, man. What is the problem with being a caveman? Can you guys hear me now? Hope so. See what happens here. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. It did come down. We missed it. Look at that. Came right to there where I said, and I was headed up. Goodness. I should have put an alarm there. Anyway, it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, man. H bar's down a little, man, but I'm holding. I'm hoping it goes down to 1 cent so I can buy a million of them. I'll be the only guy in the bank smiling, looking for a $10,000 loan. You know what I mean? What we got here. All right, guys. There's no volume now. See how small the candles are, guys? Look how short these candles are, man. It's like barely. Let's see what it does. I want it to either come up here and sweep this, or come down here and sweep this. Right now we're in the middle. You know what they say, right? Don't diddle in the middle. But we gotta wait. We get paid to wait. What's H bar doing? Let me see. H bar's down. My goodness, man. US30. It's kind of like the same as NAS. We missed this trade on gold, man. Well, I missed it anyway. I knew it was going to come down and touch this thing and go up. And look, that's exactly what happened. My box, look where my box is, where I put it, and look where it touched. That's all right. It happens, right? That's why I try to focus on just one or two pairs, man. You end up mixing trades and you end up FOMOing in. Something you don't want to do, you know? Oh no. We'll get something. Dee Nicer. Good to see you, my friend. Sorry, man. I can't see the chat. You know, I'm like a caveman. I'm just on. I got to look at my phone to see the chat because I'm on Trading View. You know, I'm just looking at the charts. Ah, sorry about that, man. Sorry, but anyway, let's get a W here, man. That's the most important thing, my friend. Nice W. No problem, Dee. Check the US30. US30 looks like it might be coming down to sweep this low. I would probably wait for it to come down and sweep this blue box too, since it's so close. Or I could take a small entry here and a small one here. Small buy. Let's see what it does. See how it reacts. Allergies, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, we've been winning, man. We've been on a winning streak, man. You know, it's nice when you're winning, man, right? If everything's good. Let's see, we go back over here. Thanks, Dee. Thank you, my friend. All right. See, I want it to come down here now. What do we got below that? If it goes below that, we got issues, but I mean, you have to be willing to hold. See what it does here. Let's see how it reacts. We got the New York Open coming in like 12 minutes. We got no news till 2, which I like having news, man. I like when the market's moving, you know? Check NAS. They're both kind of moving the same today. I prefer NAS to trade NAS if it gives me an opportunity. The NAS situation is if we sweep here, we could watch it for a minute. It may come down to here. We could take a small buy here and a small buy here. We'll see. Guys, this tool I use is, what's the name of it? Fluid Trades SMC Lite. That's the one that puts these boxes. I'm not an affiliate. I use the free version. There is a paid version, but I don't use the paid version. I've never used it. I just use this because it draws the zones pretty good. It's just support and resistance, but it's handy, you know. And I like where it puts them. It just worked out good, so I left it on here. You'll see things on the chart sometimes, like just stuff that I'm trying out, messing around with. It gets boring just sitting here watching the charts, so I start messing around with indicators and stuff. But this one I really like. I'm keeping this one. Like these buy and sell signals, I don't really even look at them, you know. I really don't pay them no mind. I don't even notice them most of the time. I'm just watching the candles. I should get rid of them. Okay, I think it's going to come down further, guys. That's what I think. You just got a double bottom there, but I think it's going to come down further. Oh, Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I've tried those, but I don't know. I kind of just like a clean chart, especially with NAS, the way it moves. Like with other pairs, with regular forex pairs, it's like a different ballgame. NAS is always just seeking the high, seeking the low. It's a more direct pair, man. There's less pullbacks. When it knows where it wants to go sometimes, man, it just goes. Like if it wants to sweep this, it'll just come down and then right out of here, you know. I like that, man. You know. US30 is kind of the same, but not so much. I noticed. Like that's why I like trading NAS the most. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to the way it moves. You know. But when I first started trading, man, I tried everything, man. I had my chart looked like a war zone. Yeah, it starts rolling. It starts going, man. That's it, man. If you missed your entry, man, it's not gonna. Most of the time, it won't pull back and give you another shot. You know. We got 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes, or 7.5 minutes to the open. Maybe we'll get a little more volume. I got my alert here, so I don't have to watch, but here it comes now. I've been trading like 5 years, man. Yeah, maybe a little more. I kind of lost track of. I'd have to go back and look when I started, but at least 5 years. A lot of mixed results. Just the last year and a half or so, I've really became a little consistent, you know, like when I stopped using the stop loss, that's when I became consistent. I use small lot size and no stop loss. All right, it's about to sweep this low here. Let's see what it does. It didn't do it yet. Like I said, it may come down here. It may go to 0, right? Who knows? But I mean, I'm gonna take a buy. All right, guys, I'm taking a buy. I'm in. That's where I'm going to. That's where I'm going. Take profit, stops the break even. Four minutes to the open. Come on now. Push up. All right. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hopefully that was just a retest, and we're going to head north now. It's got to break through this fair value gap. It's like acting like a resistance, you know. Come on, push right through, baby. One more push. Boom. 2 minutes to the open. Nasdaq's heading up. There we go. Close above that, man. Nope. There we go. Nice push. That's it, man. Let's go. Oh, it didn't close above it. Look at that rejection, man. It rejected off the other one. I don't like that, man. All right, one more minute. Not even a minute. 15 seconds. Guys, get ready to take profit. Oh. Looks like it's going to head down. Nope. Get ready. When it hits that blue line, you should be up about 25 pips. Take profit right there. Oh, it's going to head down on us, guys. Let me see where it's going. I don't think it's going too far, man. Unless it comes all the way down here, man. Yikes. Oh, brutal. That's all right. Let's see. Coming right back, baby. Damn, it did hit the TP of TP1, but I didn't get a chance to take profit. I hope you took profit. It's going to come back anyway, but I'm going to change this up, guys. I'm going to put this here. That's TP1 now. Oh, this might take a while now. Oh no. Guys, I'm gonna get a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Might take another entry here, guys. Just trying to figure out where. If I take it here, should I wait till it comes all the way down? I'll take it here. Once it touches the bottom of that green box, I'm going to take another buy, guys. That's how we roll here, man. Sometimes it's better when it goes against me. I end up making more money when I'm wrong. They got scared and ran away. Oh no. They say he's got to go. Go, go, Godzilla. See something here. All right, it didn't come down enough for us to get that entry, but we're cutting back towards our original entry. We should be break even. If we, a few more pips and we're break even. See what NAS is doing. NAS is pretty much the same. We're in profit, guys. Okay, if we get to TP1, guys, my stop loss is going to go right below this red line, just 1 or 2 pips. And that'll be in profit. And yeah, that's where it's going to go. Right here, I'm going to take some profit and put my stop in profit. Okay, so that is 44425.06. Okay, I'm expecting it to reject off that fair value gap and head north. And there it goes. Come on now, keep going. Guys, no one ever really knows where this thing is going, so I'm just messing around, But, just from experience, I think that's what's going to happen. That's basically what I'm saying, The more you stare at these charts, it's almost like intuition, like you're trying to guess. You kind of get a feel for what it's going to do. Like when I open the chart right away, I know, I'm buying or I'm selling just by looking at the candles, Here it comes all the way back now to make a liar out of me, but you know what I mean? And then I'll just make a scenario and act on it. I'll make a scenario in my mind and act on it, And if it goes against me, I make another scenario. But I pick another spot lower where I think it's going to, or higher where I think it's going to reverse. I just keep doing that till I win. I'm just too stubborn to lose, man. That's what it is. Bitcoin falls below 96,000. Man, what's going on, man? Plug in. Okay, back in profit. Let's see what happens now, guys. It actually did hit on TP1 the first time, but it just caught me sleeping. It happened so fast, I didn't get a chance to react. And then it just dropped off again. So in profit again, guys. Oh, back to break even. Whoa. So, I'll take my pill here. All right. Now we're hanging right around break even. Because you could take profit when it hits that red box here. There's nothing wrong with that. That should be like 25, 30 pips. Like 30 pips. Let me see. You could close full there, actually, if you want. I mean, 30 pips is plenty. Oh, it's 25. 26 pips. Halfway through 27. Yeah, so it's 25 pips. Okay, let me move this out of here. We never got to take this. It would have been nice if it came down a little more, man. We would have got to take that trade. That would have been sweet. It could still come down, man, you know. But yeah, we're rocking here, guys. Rocking and rolling, man. Oops, sorry, guys. Slow today, man. It's making us wait. We're getting paid to wait again. If I'm home at 2, I might come back on and stream for that news. Guys, I'm gonna buy NAS. I'm in, guys. Oops. Man. All right, so we're in 2 trades now. We're in 2 buys, NAS and US30. That's the trade, my friends. Still in a little drawdown on US30. I'm going to put an alert here. This is where I'm taking profit right here, guys. And then I'm putting stops right below this red line, right tight to this red line. That'll be my stop loss in profit. Okay, we're right at break even. NAS, we're in a little drawdown. It's time to get paid today, guys. We've been hanging around here long enough, my friends. It's time to get paid. US30 is right at break even. Okay, we're in profit on US30. A little bit, a couple of pips. That's all. That's all, guys. Some of you guys are sticklers, man. If I say the wrong thing, forget it. But we are in profit. We're heading north. Get rid of this for now. We don't need it. We don't need it for now. We may need it later. Come on, US30. Let's go, man. Goodness. Here we come. There it goes, guys. Retest and go. Boom. We're climbing now, baby. Let me get rid of this alert. I don't need it anymore. It's driving me crazy. That's all it's doing. So I'm going to put this line here. Okay, I'm going to turn it purple. That's going to be my stop when I do take profit. That will be where my stop loss is going to be. Hey, come on already. All right, we're back near break even, right around break even. It's a rough day, man. Thing's been almost 10 o'clock already. I'm still in the trade. Imagine. I do like the way that, it looks like, if we're getting higher, and over here we're getting higher. So it is working its way up. It's just very slow. Now, that don't mean it can't just all of a sudden just go boom. You know? Anyway, we're back at break even. I know we're going to win, so I'm not worried about it. It's just the way it is. That's the way it has to be. I'll get back to NAS in a minute. I'm going to address NAS in a minute. I'd like to take profit here. Let me see. NAS dropping. That's the plan on NAS if it comes down. I guess. I have no fear, man. We're going to win even more money if it comes down. Try to break even again. All right, here it comes, guys. See if we can break through that zone there. It's a supply zone, supply resistance, whatever. The indicator I'm using calls it a supply, and I like this indicator, so we'll call it a supply. Now, you should be up 25 pips now at least, guys. So you can take profit here if you want. I want to take profit right here at 44425. I'm going to take profit, and I'm going to move my stop loss to 44383. That's my plan. Then this will be risk free. And yeah, that's how it's going to go down, man. But what is a man? Come on, baby, let's go. Kept us waiting long enough here. Hmm. Okay, yeah, that TP1 is about 47 pips away. We'll call it 45. When it gets there, I'll be taking 75%, and I'll be leaving a runner. Came all the way back. Back to break even. Goodness. What a pain in the neck. Well, maybe some of you guys took profit here, man. If you did, good for you, man. Good on you, man. That's why don't get greedy, they say, right? DD, you took profit, huh? I didn't take it. I'm still holding, man. Too stubborn, man. Maybe I'm too stubborn for my own good, man. Even though that was the original plan to take it there. But when I went to draw it on, I said, you know what? I'm going to raise my profit. Mm. And I should have took profit too, guys. Just for the sake of being out of this trade already. Yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, we're still going to win, you know. Maverick didn't come here to lose. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys don't know what show that is. Right back around break even. I don't know how many times I say that today. All right, here we come again. Another try. All right, here we go. It looks like it's moving with a little more purpose now. There we go. Nice push up. Come on, baby. Let's go. Nice. Here we go. We get ready. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna take profit when it touches the 200. A lot of times it rejects off the 200, so I'm gonna take it right there, I think. If it ever does touch. I'm gonna take 75%. Come on, push up. Almost had it. What's that commercial? Oh, you almost had it. didn't make it. I don't like it now because it's not pushing up as high either. You know. Well, maybe we'll do it now. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. We got to break this high. We got to, at least push above this previous high here to convince me we're headed north. This could just be a little retest thing, you know. There you go. All right, I like the way it did that. It's going up, guys. No, maybe not. A lot of sellers right there, man. See the way that pushed down? Wow. A lot of sellers hanging out right there. I'm ready to pull the trigger on 75% TP here, but it didn't. It's not playing. It's not playing ball. And this candle right here tells me there's a lot of sellers sitting right here. If we come up again, I may get out right around here. That'd be about 25 pips. But if we go up there again, we could push right through. We just grabbed a bunch of orders, I know. All right, back around, break even. Mm. Break even again. I'm not going to say it. All right, back to break even. I'll say it. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Push through this time, man. Well, that's a nice candle going north. Nice strong candle. All right, this is torture today, guys. We're in drawdown on NAS too. NAS, I got on the big screen. I'm keeping an eye on it. If it gets to another entry point, I'm going to take another entry. And I want to wrap this one up. So I want to make a decision here whether to close or hold. I'm in profit now. I hate to go back into drawdown once I'm in profit. I really don't like that. But it hasn't even gone 25 pips. That rule, I have that rule when it goes like 20, 25 pips. I won't let it go negative again. But it has gone 25 here, so I kind of messed up on that. But if it comes up here again, I'm going to take profit, even if it's a little. I want to get off this stream too. I don't like streaming too long. Been on an hour and a half already. Come on, baby. Let's go, man. Sorry, guys. I had to take that phone call. Sorry, guys. I had to turn that off. Hey, Mahasha. How are you, my friend? We're usually out of here by now, Mahash. I was struggling with this one today, but I'm going to take profit up here, I think, right around here. Because it's not going any further, and I just want to. I'm going to take 75%, right around 25 pips. If it gets there. If it starts really pushing up, I'll take it right at the 200. All right, guys, I'm going to take profit, man. All right, I took some profit. I'm going to move my stop loss into profit now, right below this tiny fair value gap here for a little protection. That's 44379.8. Okay, so that is a risk-free trade now. 44379.8 is the stop loss. Now I'm just holding on. Give me a W in the chat, guys. That's a win. A win's a win, man, even if it was a rough one. I'm doing good, my friend. Mr. Mahasha. I'm doing great, as a matter of fact. I'm doing great, as a matter of fact. All right, NAS, we're still in drawdown. Let me go check out NAS. All right, this is risk-free now. I'm just going to let this ride. Whatever happens, happens. I took some profit. I hope you took at least half, guys. That's what I recommend. You could wait till it comes up again. I really do think it's going to go all the way, but if I controlled it, we would be there already, right? Let me see what NAS is doing. Okay, NAS, we're in a little drawdown here. It's a rough morning. Let me see what we got here. It's 20 pips to there. 22 to there. It's 36. I'm going to make that TP1 right there, that line. That's TP1, that purple line. We're still in US30. We did not get stopped out yet. NASDAQ, we're right around break even. Can you hear me, guys? You should be able to hear me. Okay, I got taken out in profit on US30, guys. So that's it. Still a W. but we're out of US30. At least I'm out of it. Let me go to NAS. Okay, NAS, I'm still in a little drawdown. Guys, make sure you join the Facebook group. Okay, if I have to go off the stream here, we're in profit now on NAS. If I have to get off the stream here, I'll let you know how the trades turn out. And sometimes I call out trades in the Facebook group. So okay, we're in profit on NAS now. Just a couple of pips. Hey, that's how it starts, my friend. We got this resistance area here that just formed. So we have to pop through that. It's only 5 pips away, 6 pips away. That's not good, but not the end of the world. I actually have to move this down a little. So I'm actually in profit all the way down there. All right, so we had a win on US30. You know, a small win. Let's see what we can do with NAS. Let's sneeze. Can you guys hear me? Hope so. Guys, if I do take profit, this red line is going to be my stop loss. Hey, it's like 1 or 2 pips of profit. 22090.5. That's going to be my new stop loss. All right, I'm up 10 pips. If I get up 25 pips, I'm going to take profit. 12 pips. Come on, man. Stop pumping. Thanks, Mr. Mahasha. You guys can hear me. That's good. That always helps. All right, what do we got here? I'm only up 12 pips, so. Man, today's a rough day, man. I'm almost 20 pips. I'm around 18. Might reject off that 200. It might be a good place to take profit, guys. Take a little something. It touches that 200. I haven't hit 20 pips yet. I'm at 19. There you go. I just hit 20. See if it can go past that. There we go. It pushed past it, which is a good sign. Even though it didn't stay up there, it did push past it. I'm at 20 pips, 21. I think I'm going to take a little bit at 25. I'm going to take half. Okay, I'm going to take half. Okay, guys, my stop loss is now 22090. This is a risk-free trade. Oops. Took half right around here, so I'll put that there. Actually, it was up a little, right? It shot up. Right around there, that's good. And the final TP is 22149.7 is my final TP. And that's it, guys. Give me a W in the chat. Way to go, guys. Nice trade, man. Nice trade today, guys. We struggled, but we made it through. I didn't have to take any second entries, which I don't mind taking because it just usually means more money. But it worked out. So I'm gonna sign off, guys. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm usually out of here by like 10:15. Yeah, so we're good, man. This is risk-free, guys. Make sure your stop loss is in profit. You could take more profit right around here if you want. I hope you're using this indicator. I really like it, guys. I don't really use indicators much. I have these lines on here. I don't even know. I just leave them on because I'm used to them. But this is a 13, guys. 13 EMA. That's what I use. I mean, sometimes when it's a good indicator. Like if you break above, let's say you're in a buy here, you could actually use this to close when it comes to the other side. So if it dips below here, you could close. Some people use it for that. I just use it just to. I don't really even use it. It's just decoration. Anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. And thanks for stopping by, guys. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Thank you, guys. God bless you guys. Have a great day on purpose, my friends.